This here is the Oasis Essence sliding system. This enclosure offers you heavy glass, 1/2 inch. The other sliders standards were 3/8 thickness. This is a 1/2 inch thick piece of glass. It has no metal track at the top, so it looks very elegant. It has the rolling system down at the bottom, so when the door opens, it's very smooth in operation. This is one of the more sleek and stylish enclosures that we have in all of our showrooms throughout New England. You can also find them at oasisshowerdoors.com. This is the Oasis Essence.
oasisshowerdoors.com.